Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add hyperlink in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your design, select the text in which you want to add the link. Just click on the text and click on these three dots. And here, as you can see this option, link, just click on it and paste the link over here like this. Paste the link over here and that's it, you're good to go. Now the link is added. When someone will click on this particular text, they will be redirected to your link. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add a link in Canva. Thanks for watching.